Okay, let's dive into this. Hello and welcome to The Explainer. The potential of syncing Claude and Canva together is it's absolutely incredible. We're not just talking about an AI spitting out text ideas for you to go and manually build yourself later. Oh no, this is about transforming your entire workflow. We are talking about connecting Claude and Canva to do the heavy lifting for you. So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the Claude-Canva powerhouse. Then we'll cover exactly how to connect the tools. After that, we'll get into the art of prompting, run through 3 practical design examples, and wrap up with some pro tips for your workflow. All right, Section 1, the Claude-Canva powerhouse. We're talking real-time design generation. So the crucial point here is this connector feature. When we use these 2 tools together, you've got to think of Claude as your literal AI assistant and Canva as the actual design tool, right? The connector is the bridge between them. It means Claude is actually inside of Canva, pulling the levers, building out designs in real time based strictly on what you describe. So if you've got a brilliant idea but literally no idea where to start on a blank canvas, well, this is your new best friend.
Moving on to Section 2, how to connect the tools. Let's do a quick step-by-step setup. If you're wondering how to connect Claude and Canva, getting this running is actually beautifully simple. Inside your Claude AI account, just look over to the left-hand menu and click Customize. Then, click into Connectors. From there, you just choose Browse Connectors to see all the tools Claude can talk to. Search for Canva, hit that little plus icon to add it, and just follow the quick prompts to sign in and authorize your Canva account. And that's it. You're officially linked up. How easy is that?
Now, once you're connected, Claude gives you this brilliant list of specific capabilities it can perform within Canva. And this really shows the level of control you have. For literally every single task, you can choose Always Allow for automatic generation, Needs Approval if you want a little pop-up asking for permission case by case, or Block to make sure Claude never has access to do that specific thing. You are in total, complete control of your workspace security.
Okay, Section 3, the art of prompting. Because context is king.
Prompting your AI is, without a doubt, the most important part of this entire process. The output you get is directly tied to the context you provide. A robust prompt needs some specific ingredients: background on who you are, your target audience, your ultimate project goal, the aesthetic style and feel, and specific parameters like colors, size, and layout. Listen, if you give Claude a generic prompt, you are absolutely going to get a generic design. But if you fill your prompt with rich details, you'll get incredibly close to your vision on the very first try.
Section 4, 3 practical design examples. Let's see this building in real time.
Notice the strategy behind setting up your design rules before you even start building. In our first 2 examples, we'll see 2 super powerful shortcuts. First, you can tell Claude to use your Canva brand kit, which automatically reaches into Canva and pulls your exact customized fonts and colors. Or you can just upload a screenshot directly into the Claude chat to give it perfect visual context for a specific aesthetic you want to emulate. Let's actually see how these work in practice.
Here's the exact prompt used for our first example, which is a digital product. It reads, create a family command center printable in Canva using my Canva brand kit. Sections for a weekly schedule, meal plan, grocery list, and notes. Clean, modern style, soft warm colors, letter size. Notice that phrase, using my Canva brand kit? Instead of trying to painstakingly describe your brand's look in text, Claude just goes right into Canva, grabs your preset aesthetic, and starts building from the ground up.
And the results? Incredibly fast. Claude immediately generated 4 different initial layout options right there in the chat interface. But of course, you can iterate. By just chatting back and forth, you can tell Claude to tweak the design, say adding a kids' activity section or dropping in fillable blank lines for the grocery list. And honestly, the most shocking part? Once you're happy, you can ask Claude to export the design as a PDF directly from the chat window. Yep, you don't even have to open Canva to download your finished product.
Let's look at example 2, creating social media templates. For this one, a screenshot of an inspiring Instagram post was uploaded directly into Claude using the attachment button. The prompt was, I'm uploading a screenshot of an Instagram post I love. Using a similar aesthetic style and feel, create a set of 5 matching Instagram post templates in Canva. I need 1 quote template, 1 tip post, 1 promotional post, 1 behind the scenes, and 1 announcement. Modern, bright, airy style. See how that uploaded screenshot does the heavy lifting of explaining the visual goal?
Claude instantly provided 4 design set options based on that visual inspiration.
And tweaking it is as simple as typing a new command, like incorporate an elegant handwritten font as an accent font. Claude updates the designs in seconds. Once you pick your absolute favorite, Claude saves those templates directly, and I mean live, into your Canva account. They're just sitting here ready for you to open up and customize further, or even sell as a digital product.
Let's move to example 3 and see how this builds. We just saw how powerful brand kits and uploaded screenshots are for establishing design rules. But what if you don't have a brand kit? Or maybe you don't have a reference photo? Well, for example 3, we're going to look at prompting entirely from scratch, relying purely on the text description we give the AI to establish the style and the layout. Here is how you tackle a completely from-scratch layout, like a weekly newsletter or bulletin template that you plan to reuse over and over again. The prompt is highly descriptive. Create a church weekly bulletin in Canva. Sections for service times, announcements, upcoming events, a scripture of the week, and prayer request. Classic, clean style, navy and gold, letter size, 2 columns. Notice the specific layout instructions, like 2 columns, and the strict color choices of navy and gold. Claude delivered 4 candidate designs matching those exact specs. But let's say it feels, a bit too traditional. You simply type back to modernize the design while keeping the navy and gold and ask it to add a logo placeholder. And the coolest part? You can ask it to add a professional stock photo, and Claude will actively reach into Canva's massive stock photo library, pull a highly relevant professional image, and drop it perfectly into your layout. It's like magic.
All right, section 5, pro tips for workflow. Time to level up.
Here is your first pro tip, represented by the number 3. Stop doing endless back and forth revisions on a single layout. Seriously. Instead, in your initial prompt, specifically ask the AI to give me 3 different layout options for this. Claude will generate multiple variations in one single go, allowing you to pick your favorite right out of the gate, so you'll only spend time tweaking the one that already has the best foundational structure.
Pro tip number 2 involves a really neat feature called Claude Projects. A project is basically a dedicated workspace inside of Claude. Think of it like a highly intelligent folder. Inside this folder, you can upload specific brand documents or reference files, set custom instructions, and, most importantly, it retains chat memory. This means you aren't having to re-explain your brand identity, your target audience, or your aesthetic to Claude every single time you open a new chat. It just remembers.
Setting up a project empowers you with absolute creative consistency. Just go to the left menu in Claude and click Projects. Click New Project, give it a name, and then start uploading your files and adding your custom instructions. You can even take past chats you've had with Claude and add them directly into the project to instantly build up its memory. Trust me, using projects from day one is the smartest way to stop wasting time on repetitive prompting.
So we've walked through the setup, we've dissected the anatomy of a perfect prompt, and we've watched this AI assistant build everything from digital products to social campaigns directly inside Canva. The tools are connected, the workspace is prepped, the only question left is, what will you create? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.